Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Nash County, Edgecombe County, northeastern Wilson County until 5:45 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Elm City, or 8 miles south of Nashville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rocky Mount, Tarboro, Wilson, Elm City, Princeville, Sharpsburg, Pinetops, McClaysfield, Canida, and Speed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Edgecombe, Nash, and Wilson. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for East Central Nash and Northwest Edgecombe counties.
I think I found it.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Rocky Mount.